Hey everyone, this is filler 7 for the snack stock up from Miss Naomi. 10 at 320. Top 2 get a spot on the main. Copy our list. Go live. 6:30. Paste our list. Roll our dice. Need a 4 or higher. 6:30. Got a 6. 6:30, 6 times. 10 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 on the list. Miss Sonia on top. Mr. Tommy on the bottom. Randomized 5 times. Dice called for a 6. 6:31. Final time. Good luck, everyone. Top 2. Top 2. Miss Kirby and Miss Sonia. 10 items, 6 times, 6 on the dice. Correct, Miss Kirby and Miss Sonia. We are done. 6:31. Thanks, everyone.